Good morning and welcome to Agoracom Small Cap Stock News. It's Wednesday, February the 26th, 2014. I'm Alan Barry Laboucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for Agoracom. Each day I go through various different press releases. I try to find the best ones that stand out to me. I go over what it was in their news that stood out. And I also give you my insights into what I see with their stock charts. We try to keep the show to around a 10-minute time frame. Today we have 5 companies on the schedule, so we'll get right to it, and it shouldn't take us too long. The first company up is Columbus Gold. Columbus Gold had drill results from their Paul Inard project, which is in French Guiana. The drill holes included 6 meters of 6.06 grams per ton gold. They had a 27-meter intersection of 1.26 meters or 1.26 grams, and that started right at surface. Another intersection of 2.9 meters of 11.67 grams per ton gold. So they're getting some good drill results from that project in French Guiana. The stock is flat today on 45 cents on 83,000 shares traded. Just pulling up the stock chart now, and this one's been on a very good move since the July lows. It had a good rally from the July lows until the end of September, gave back some of those gains, then it went sideways for a couple months. And then starting in the early part of this year, it's been off to the races again. And it's now trading above its 20 and 50-day moving averages on fairly decent volume. Just the stock symbol on that one is CGT. Next up is Denison Mines. Denison Mines announced drill results from their one of their projects in northern Saskatchewan. It is the, which project is this one? They call this the Wheeler River. Sorry, Wheeler River. That one passed. I forgot that for a bit. Very good intersections there. 6.5 meters of 29% uranium. 4.7 meters of 18%, very high grades in that deposit. Now, it's worth keeping in mind that Denison Mines has nearly 500 million shares out, 472 million shares out. So that's a lot of stock out. But the market really liked this news today. It was up 17 cents, which is a 10% up move to $1.84 on 6.5 million shares traded hands. Just taking a look at their stock chart, this one's been performing much better since October. Back in October, it was trading at around $1, which is a 52-week low, and then it got much stronger. It's trading above 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages right now. It's on a spiky kind of move in the last couple days. I would expect to see some profit taking that may take it back down to the let's say $1.60 range. If it can find support there, it will probably be a good place to look for a rally from. Denison Mines stock symbol is DML, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next up is Levon Resources. Levon Resources had drill results from their Ada claim, which is in Chihuahua State, Mexico. The results included 216 meters of 34.7 grams per ton silver equivalent. There's some lead and zinc in there as well, and big thick intersections, and this one looks very interesting to me on the drill result front. Market's off a couple cents today to 37 cents on 58,000 shares traded hands. Just picking up the stock chart now, and this is another one, been on a really good move since the December lows. Was trading around 20 cents back then. Has basically doubled since then. It's been on a pretty aggressive move in the last couple weeks that I would like to see some profit taking, and this is another one that I'd like to see it catch support at around the 27 to 30 cent range. Then I think it could bounce off of there, but I wouldn't want to chase it here. LVN is their stock symbol. They trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next up is Northern Gold Mining. Northern Gold Mining has released assay results from their Garrison Gold property, which is part of the Gold Bear project, 100 kilometers east of Timmins, Ontario. The highlight hole was 3.21 grams per ton gold over 3.6 meters. They had another 3.21 grams over 8 meters, and several other drill hole intersections there. You can find that on the company's website. The stock is up a half a penny today to 4.5 cents on 88,000 shares traded. Just looking at the stock chart, and this is a complete flatliner and has been for several months. And I don't think that this is the kind of news that will see it break out of there. NGM is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Caden Resources. Caden Resources announced drill results from their 100% optioned El Barquino, I think I said that right, gold project in Jalisco State, Mexico. The highlight hole was 44 meters of 2.34 grams per ton gold. Very nice intersection there. They had other drill hole results in there as well, and there's copper in this system as also. So some very interesting results there from Caden. Just looking at their stock, it's down 7 cents today to $1.60 on 28.5 thousand shares traded hands. I'm just pulling up the stock chart right now. Wow, this one's been on a really good move since the December lows. Was trading at around 96 cents on the lows in December. Since then, it's really moved up quite aggressively on good volume, trading well above its 20 and 50-day moving averages. Interesting. There's a lot of power in this chart. Want to do some more homework on that stock. CYD is their symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today is Peregrine Diamonds. Peregrine Diamonds announced the independent diamond valuation results for their diamonds from their CH6 kimberlite pipe that they did a bulk sample on. They sent in a little over 1,000 carats for commercial size diamonds that were recovered from the bulk sample. The average price was $213 per carat. The entire parcel was $215,000. They had some big stones in there that, as big clear stones can often do, really came back with some awesome numbers on the valuation as well. Very interesting project. This is one that I think has a great potential of being one of Canada's future diamond mines. Really rich grades to this kimberlite up there in Baffin Island. I like this project a lot. The stock is down surprisingly 5.5 cents today to 47.5 cents on 680,000 shares traded. Just pulling up the stock chart, and it's up from the November lows. November lows saw it trading down at 28 cents, which was the 52-week low, 27.5 cents, sorry. Since then, they had a good rally that ended in early December. They've been kind of trending sideways since then. Really like these results. I think that this is the kind of catalyst that could help the valuation, and then they're getting close to their summer drill program, spring-summer drill programs as well. Peregrine's stock symbol is PGD, and they trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So that's a wrap on the news for today. Join us Monday through Thursday for our daily news shows. Fridays our end of the week show. You can find our stuff at blog.agoracom.com or on the main page for the daily news show at agoracom.com, or also on my website at allenberryreports.com. Don't forget to do your homework, speak with your financial advisors before making any investment decisions, and you have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you soon.